Zara, a clever girl, lived in a sunny village. She had wild, curly hair, bright eyes full of questions, and a dream of becoming the world's youngest scientist. Ribbit, rosebush frog song, peeking through the leaves, she found a tiny frog in a golden crown, looking thoroughly annoyed. Zara blinked. "Did you just turn into porcelain?" The teacup blinked back. "Unfortunately, yes. I'm Prince Frederick. Every time I hiccup, I turn into something else. I've been a sock, a sandwich, even a squirrel. Please help me break the spell." Zara's eyes sparkled. "A mystery with magic and biology? Count me in." To cure the hiccup curse, they had to collect 3 enchanted items hidden in the Garden of Giggles. First,
what if I
they
told
found
you
the
that this
lasting
entire
yellow
video
flower
was created
that
in
only
under
bloomed
5
in
minutes with
April.
just one tool and a single prompt? It sounds impossible, doesn't it? For years, creating animated content has been a nightmare. You have to juggle multiple, expensive tools, one for scriptwriting, another for images like Midjourney, a third for voiceovers like 11 Labs, and then a complex video editor to stitch it all together. It's a process that can easily cost over $100 and waste countless hours. Today, I'm going to show you how a single AI tool can take a simple idea and automatically generate a complete monetizable 30-minute animated video. This tool does everything. It creates the scenes, generates a human-like voiceover, keeps your characters consistent, and animates the entire story for you. By the end of this video, you will have the exact step-by-step process to create long-form videos up to 30 minutes in length. Let's dive in. Alright, the incredible tool we're using is called Magic Light AI. I've left a link in the description for you to follow along. When you sign up, you'll land on this clean and simple dashboard. From the 2 options, choose Story to Video. Now, the magic starts with the story itself. Under Basic Script, you can simply paste a prepared story if you have one, or you can use Smart Script to provide a simple idea and let the AI turn it into a polished story for you. To come up with a truly creative idea, we'll head over to ChatGPT. I've crafted a special prompt to help us. Just paste this into ChatGPT. Act as a world-class children's storyteller. Generate 3 unique and magical story ideas for a 5-8-year-old. Each story should feature a brave main character, a whimsical problem to solve, and a heartwarming lesson about creativity or friendship. Make them visual, interesting, and educational. ChatGPT will now write 3 amazing story ideas for you. Take a moment to read them and pick your favorite. For this video, I love the last one, The Prince Who Croaked. Perfect. Now just copy that story idea, head back to Magic Light AI, and paste it right into the prompt section. Click Next and let the AI analyze your idea into a full script. As you can see, our script has been broken down into scenes, but I will simply go back and choose Basic Script instead. So I'll go back over to ChatGPT and ask it to write a full story between 1,000 to 2,000 characters based on The Prince Who Croaked, ready to paste into TTS and formatted in long paragraphs. Once it's ready, I will select it, copy it, and paste it here in the Basic Script box. Next, we'll choose our settings. I'll select the landscape aspect ratio for YouTube. I'll keep the language as English. And for the style, this is crucial. I'm going with the Disney style option. Once you've selected your style, click on Next. Now the AI will create a full story script and, as you can see, it has divided the story into multiple scenes. Each scene will generate 1 image. If you want to make any changes, you can easily type your edits right here, delete scenes, or even merge 2 scenes into one for smooth pacing. Once you're satisfied, click on Next. This will take you to the cast page, and this is one of the best features of Magic Light AI because it ensures you have consistent characters throughout your entire video. Magic Light AI is smart. As you can see, it has analyzed the script and identified our characters, Zara, Prince Frederick, and the little light gnomes. You have a few great options here. You can click Autocast to let Magic Light handle the whole thing instantly, or do it manually by selecting characters from the library. But for a truly unique look, we want full control, so we'll click on Create to design our character from scratch. Now, to create our first character, Zara, we need a detailed description. We'll head back to our ChatGPT chat. I'll use another custom prompt to get the character details. Analyze the generated story and provide a detailed description for each character, suitable for an AI image generator. Include appearance, hair, clothing, and overall style, each in a single paragraph. Look at that! We get a perfect description for each character. Now copy those details, go back to Magic Light, and paste them into the character prompt box. And check this out. You can even upload a reference face or a specific clothing style for even more control. For now, the prompt is enough. Let's click Generate Image. Perfect. If you're satisfied with your character, click Apply and then Confirm. And just like that, we have our first character. Repeat this for any other characters, and once you're done, click Next to continue. After a few moments, your storyboard will be generated with all scenes in order. On the left side of the screen, you can adjust the video settings. First, set the voiceover speed. A setting of 0.9 is recommended. Next, select the voiceover. You can preview each voice option by clicking the Audition button. To edit an individual scene, simply click on it. This allows you to preview the subtitle, listen to the voiceover, or change to a new voice for that specific scene. It is important to keep the narration for each scene short, as longer narrations can cause issues. If you are not satisfied with any scene's image, you can regenerate it for free to improve the result. Now, it is time to animate the scenes. To bring your story to life, select a scene and click the Animate button. From the available choices, select the Animate Pro option for the best results. Then, click Confirm to let the AI automatically create the animation based on the scene's content. Before you animate, ensure the scene's narration does not exceed 120 characters to avoid glitches in the final video. Repeat this animation process for all of your key scenes. After animating your scenes, preview each one to ensure the animation has been applied correctly. Before proceeding, take a moment to do a final check. This is your last chance to regenerate any scenes or shorten any narration for the best possible result. When you are satisfied with all the scenes, click Next. On this final page, first choose the best scene to use as the cover image for your video. Next, select your preferred subtitle style from the options provided. After that, choose the background music. It is very important to reduce the music volume so that the voiceover can be heard clearly. Finally, click the Generate button to create your video. Confirm the aspect ratio and video export resolution. The AI will now process everything. After a few minutes, your final video will be ready. Let's check it out.
Zara, a clever girl, lived in a sunny village. She had wild, curly hair, bright eyes full of questions, and a dream of becoming the world's youngest scientist. Ribbit, rosebush frog song. Peeking through the leaves, she found a tiny frog in a golden crown, looking thoroughly annoyed. Zara blinked. "Did you just turn into porcelain?" The teacup blinked back. "Unfortunately, yes. I'm Prince."
From a single story idea to a fully animated video in under 5 minutes of work, this is the future of content creation. Magic Light AI gives you some free credits to start, but if you're serious about building a channel and creating 30-minute videos, I highly recommend their subscription. As you can see, the price is very reasonable compared to paying for 3 or 4 separate tools. If this tutorial helped you, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss the next game-changing AI tool.